Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to do another airsoft distraction video. Hopefully this one's going to be a bit better than my last one, the can of Coke, because I was zooming in too much so you couldn't see the explosion. If you haven't seen that, please go and look at that. It is a little bit windy at the moment, so I don't know if you can hear me properly, but I'm talking my loudest to show you. So yeah, this should make for a good one. I'm just going to position the camera. I'm going to be using the M4 again, and fully auto, high cap, so this should do some damage. There's two bananas there, the old shitty ones, so they're going to be pretty nasty, and I'm going to have to get the power hose out again. So here's the next clip. Fucking stinks. Fuck. So yeah, I said that's quite a big success. Thanks for watching. I think I'm going to do one little water balloon that I've got sort of left over from other stuff. So check that out, and thanks for watching. See you guys later.